Good morning, Texans. It is Monday, April 20th, 2020, and it's time for our morning announcements. We'll start with our Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now to the great state of Texas. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Now we'll observe a moment of silent reflection. And my main announcement for you today is you're probably already aware of this because the governor of the state of Texas spoke to us on Friday and said that schools will not be going back to our physical buildings for the remainder of the year. So our remote learning has been extended to our last day of school, which is May 22nd. There's a lot of disappointment that comes with that. A lot of our families are disappointed. If you're listening to this right now, you're probably disappointed. I certainly am as well. We're all feeling a lot of loss of activities and things that we're accustomed to being able to do in the spring of the year and as we close out the year, most especially our seniors and the families of our seniors are feeling a great sense of loss because they've lost out on the end of their school year and their senior year, their final school year with us, and all of the traditions and activities that come with that. What I need you to know is this: we are still preserving graduation. We're still preserving prom. We don't know what that looks like. We don't know when that's going to occur, and we're awaiting further guidance from TEA, as the governor mentioned in his address on Friday. So we have to pull all of those things together and see what that looks like. And so I know there are so many questions right now. Can we do this? Can we do this? When can we do this? When can we pick up this? When can we do this? I understand that it's so frustrating to have all those questions and we need those answered, and we'll get those answered as soon as we can. There'll be a lot of meetings this week trying to figure things out, sort things out. Of course, Dr. Warren's been helping us prepare for this for a long time. He anticipated that we might have to extend this, and so there are a lot of things that are already in place. But in terms of the definitive things of what will be the date of graduation, where will the ceremony take place? Currently, the ceremony is still scheduled for UNT on May 26th, and it's scheduled as planned. We'll see what the guidelines and the laws are at that time and see if we're able to do that at that time. There are still some things that we don't know yet. So we're trying to work through all of the things that we don't know yet, trying to work with the things that we do know and get some things planned and prepared and figured out. I did mention in my little letter to families yesterday, Sunday, that we're working on some alternate plans for Night of Excellence, which is our undergraduate award ceremony, and then our Legacy Awards, which is our senior award ceremony. We're looking at some alternate ways of doing that. And so a lot of the things that we're doing, the high schools are working together to try to do similar things so that none of our families feel shortchanged or anything like that. So just know that there's nobody in any of our organization that wants to cancel anything. There's nobody that wants what we're dealing with right now. Among those is me. I don't want this either. But we're going to take what we have and we're going to work with it and we're going to make it the very best we can. So thank you for understanding. Thank you for being patient with us, and thank you for hanging in there. I know it's been a lot of change over a lot of time, and nothing like this has ever happened before, and hopefully it never does again. Texans, those are all the announcements I have for you. Just to remind you that I love you, I miss you, I look forward to seeing you again, and I hope you make it a great Monday.